In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check iPhone purchase date. Let's get started. First, launch your settings, navigate to the option General. Now click on the option Apple Care and Warranty. Select your device and you'll see the coverage expiration date. Since iPhones come with a 1-year warranty, just subtract a year from the expiration date and you'll get an estimated purchase date. Next, you can check your battery first use date. For that, head back to the main page of settings. Now go ahead and click on the option Battery. Click on the option Battery Health. Here you'll see a section labeled First Use. This shows the first time the device was used, which usually matches the purchase date as long as the battery has not been replaced. Lastly, you can use Apple's official coverage checker. For that, navigate to the About page, copy the serial number of your device, close this, launch your preferred browser. Now type in checkcoverage.apple.com and search for it. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find this box over here. Paste the serial number copied over here and then click on Submit. You'll now see the official purchase date if it's available. This is the most precise method straight from Apple. And that's it. 3 easy ways to check the purchase date of any iPhone, whether it's new, used or refurbished. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.